Hello guys, and I'm with my friend again. I'm with my friend again, and we're gonna be doing a challenge. So, I've never told you guys yet that I have a new gun, but tell me, bro, he ain't having a face mask. He ain't having a face mask. I got the new Nerf Rival. I said rival. I got the X7, whatever, hyphen 700, and which is also called the Apollo. But I'm testing my Kel right now to make all this list. See, he wetters. He putting on the wetters right now because he know that if he misses, he finna get shot. So every time my Kel misses a shot, I'ma keep track. He gets shot with this gun. And it's fully loaded. I don't know if you can see it. Wait, hold on. I'll take out the mag for you. I'll take out the mag. Okay, see? It's fully loaded. All 7 rounds. And so, y'all, Michael, this the Nerf Rival Basketball Challenge. So let's get it in. Oh yeah, guys, I've been trying to make a basketball shot with this. And I ain't trying it right now. I almost lost one of my rounds. But anyway, let's get it in. I don't know why I keep saying that. All right, Michael. First shot. Miss.
Let's go on my decade like this. Miss.
Oh, he missed. That's one. I won't shoot until the end of the video. That's one. Y'all. One.
This is why.
Bro, you gotta do it for somebody. Like, come on, man, you gotta do it. Do it for the viewers? You do it for the viewers? Okay. Did I say a close shot? You still missed it. I won't count that though.
Okay.
I mean, I should, but like, lucky I won't. He said he gonna do this for his viewers. Come on, like wait for you to shoot. Said he gonna do it for the viewers.
East side, bro.
East side. Oh, that's two. He took one more shot. All right, you are one for three. You're 1 for 3. You got two. That's 2 of my rounds going at your big old head.
All my viewers out there that suck at basketball, I think that. Why?
He run for 5. He won for 5. That's 5 rounds. That's 4 rounds going at your big old head. Bro. Alright. Run up shot or just a 3 from right there? Oh, okay. He running up. Alright, you won for 6. Hey, 5 of my rounds going at you. Hey, at least you made 1. Other people made like booty.
I think this sucks.
Come on, man. I picked the hardest thing for you.
But
Come on, man. Come on, man. This is for all the subscribers. What'd you say? Oh, he's 2 for 7. So that's 5 of my rounds going at you, Michael. Stand by the wall. Let's get it. All right, y'all. So Michael finna get shot, and I have another camera girl. It's a girl this time. And so 5 of my rounds going at you. Hold up. It's a car. It's a camera. So y'all, it's 5 rounds going at her. Let's get it. So Michael's standing there. You better not move one bit. You better look. How you is? If I miss, I'm doing it again. Yeah. Hey, leave it. Leave the bullet. He tried to use his shoulders. Hey, that's not even an easy time, bro. I'll shoot you in the head thing. Yeah, stay still.
I'd rather turn your back.
Nah, turn your back then.
Oh,
Turn your head this way.
Alright, just leave it like you is. Just leave it like that.
Don't shoot my chest, bro.
What? Come on, man. The video's waiting. Viewers is waiting.
I already got this.
Stomach. 3 more. Come on, 3 more. 3 more. Come on, man. You can take 3. Bro, you barely even took 1 right now. He ate 1. He said he eat those, but boy.
Yes.
Camera, man.
Yes.
Wait, stop.
I've
Come on, man. 2 more. 2 more. Take these. Eat these. Oh, it's 2 more. 1, 2, 3.
I hit my dog.
You know, it hit right there, right? You got it. Alright, guys. That's the end. Hope I see y'all later.
I did have a big head, by the way.
No, that's balls. So yeah, I see y'all later. My cow got shot down here sweating already. And say peace.